If you are watching this video, the chances are you are confused. You have an IIM calls, but it is not from Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta, and it's from baby and new IIMs. Before we go ahead in this video, I want to tell you that why you should listen to me. I'm not a coach and I'm not someone who is from outside of this ecosystem and commenting on that. I have passed out from one baby IIM and I have been working in corporate from past 1 year. So whatever I'm going to say in this video, it's not a theory. It's based on campus reality, placement reality, and what actually happens after MBA when you do it from a baby or new IIM. I have seen people who are very happy on the result day when they convert any baby or new IIM, but and they get confused after 1 year later. And I have seen people who made the right decision even despite having doubts throughout the journey. So in this video, I'm not going to push you to join any baby or any new IIMs. It's all about helping you to make the right decision so you won't regret later. Now, let's talk honestly. First, let me remove one big confusion. The mistake that some of the aspirants make is that they treat all IIM as equal. Yes, they share the same brand name. No, they don't offer the same outcome. That doesn't mean you should not join any baby or new IIMs. It means that they have the different ecosystem, different peer quality, different placement scenarios, different academic pressure, and different expectation as well. Once you accept and know all these differences, decision making become more easier. So yeah, when you should consider joining any baby or new IIMs. Let's talk about the cases where it makes actually a logical decision. Case number one, you have any of these things in your profile. You have 0 to 2 year of experience, you have limited brand exposure, no strong professional identity yet. And baby and new IIMs can help you to build the foundation. You get the structure, you get the discipline, you get the exposure to those roles that you don't even know that are existed. And for many people who fall in this case one, this actually makes sense. Case number two, when your current career path doesn't make any sense and it is very unstructured. So if you have any of these things in your profile, growth is really slow, learning is limited, role is not aligned to your long-term goals. And I am even baby or new can become a career switch option for you. It will not happen magically, but you need to be little strategic about that. You'll still have to work hard, you still need to prove yourself in front of companies, but you can make it. But the campus ecosystem will the opportunities to do that, so you need to prepare for that. Case number three, you are really realistic about the placements. If you're thinking you will join baby or new IIM and you will get into the top consulting role, top product role, top finance role anyways, mere dost, you are wrong here. If you join knowing these things, that you will get mid-level manager roles, you will get average packages, which is higher than your current package, and you will get good push in your career. And you are okay working your way up after MBA. Then baby and new IIMs make sense for you. Now let's talk about when you should reconsider joining new and baby IIMs. Case 1, you already have very strong work ex. When I talk about very strong work ex, you should have these things in your profile. You are earning well, somewhere around more than 14-15 LPA. Brand and good roles in your CV. Your role progression is not stuck anywhere, you are progressing steadily. If you have these things in your profile, in that case, opportunity cost is a real thing. MBA should multiply your trajectory, not pause it. Now, case number two under this, you are taking huge financial risk. Not many people talk about this. They think that you will get a loan and you will pay for it. But let me talk about this. If your education low is very high, your financial condition is not good, and you cannot back it up, and your family situation is fragile, just get high paying role to survive, then baby and new IIMs are not for you. In this case, it doesn't mean that you should not join, but you should join, but not blindly. Case number three, you are chasing a brand name, not a career. Why I'm talking about this, I have seen people just chasing a brand name in their profile because they have seen some didi or bhaiya having it and doing good in their career. If your main reason is that log kya kahenge, if I have the IIM tag in my profile, everybody will respect me or something like that, then might this decision will hurt you later because you will have education loan, your role might be not at par with your expectation, and you will probably will be trapped in a huge financial risk. Now the thing is, I might have not covered all the cases for you, but these are the questions that you can ask yourself right now if you are considering to join any baby or new IIM. Instead of asking, should I join this baby or new IIM, is joining this college worth it or not, ask these type of questions to yourself. First question, what problem this MBA will solve in my life? Be very honest with yourself. Is it lack of direction? Is it lack of exposure, lack of confidence, or lack of growth? If MBA solves these problems, then it's good. If not, no ranking will save you. Not any top IIM or not even a baby or new IIM. If you are still here and watching this video, I would like to say that baby and new IIMs are not shortcut. Even any IIM is not shortcut. They are actually tools. If they are in the right hand, they will work. If they are not in the right hand, they will not work. Before having any conversion in your hand, thinking about that I will not join this college or I will not join this IIM, It is tough thing. If you are not aware, I am already helping many students in cracking their GDPI journey according to their profile. It's a personalized mentorship program that I run by myself, and I help students to clear their best call. If you are interested, you can check the link in the description. You can also put your profile in the comment section and I'll provide the brief direction according to your profile. Hope this video will give you some idea how the baby and new AMs are working. You should join or not. And if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and share this video to the relevant people. And yeah, stay tuned. All the best.